Everyone, I'm going to go in and wake everybody up. Let's see how it goes. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Newman. Let's make sure everyone sees. Hi, Newman. How are you, sweetie? Oh, such a good boy. Hey, good morning. Oh, so sunny out. This is how I wake them up every morning. What's going on out there? Newman loves, it's like when I open the curtains, it's like they haven't, like it's like their reality show. So in the morning they can't wait to see what they missed in the night with the curtains closed. Hi, Coco. How are you? Come on out. Coco needs to come out first because, well, Kiwi comes out. What are you doing? Are you a good girl? How was your sleep? Huh? How was your sleep? How was your sleep? Did you eat all your treats? Huh? Good girl. Who's next? Hey, Cookie. There's little Cookie. Hi, Cookie. How are you? How are you? Are you a good boy? Huh? Here comes the sun. You guys may think that I'm doing this all in show, but I really do talk like this and talk to them like this. Look who it is. It's Rue. Good morning. Where are you? How was your sleep? Were you a good girl? Good morning. Good morning. Sometimes I start on the left, and other times I start on the right. There's Mr. Floyd. Hey, Floyd. What's going on, buddy? What's going on in here? Oh my goodness, you're sitting on poopy paper. We gotta fix that. Oh boy. Hold on. I have to fix his paper nest every day. Can you guys see? You guys see him? You see him? Okay. You had those little wooden toys so warm, didn't you? Here. I got your new paper, look. Look. There we go. Did you eat last night? Nope. Okay. Who's next? It's Miss Kiwi. Hi, Kiwi. How are you? How are you? Good morning. Do you want me to pet you? Come on, do you want me to pet you and come out or no? It's up to you. Hear that noise? That really high-pitched noise? That's why I wear my earplugs. Oh, I lost one. I lost both. When did I take them out? Do you want to come out? You done? Okay, let's go out. Come on, Kiwi, here we go. We're going to do a meeting today. We're doing a family meeting. There we go. Good girl. Hear that high-pitched noise? That's the one that I have to wear earplugs for. That tone hurts my ears. Look who it is. Hi, sis. Hello, sis. Good morning. What are you doing? Come on. How are you? How was your sleep? Come on. You want to come out? Yes or no? You want to see her? Do you want to come out? Look at her. She's giving Newman the stink eye. Okay, Coco. I'm going to take Coco out in the kitchen now. Come on, Sid, let's go. Come here. Oh, I gotta get you. Come here, step up. I can't leave her to roam around in here because A, she cuts cords. She cuts the cords. And B, she antagonizes Newman, which we don't need any more of, right? So let's take you out. Stretch. Come on. Come on out, Missy. Come on, Cookie. Want to come out today? So let everyone out so they can have a stretch. Come on, Newman. Then we do some stuff in the kitchen, and then they have their breakfast. So they're out for a couple hours in the morning. Time to get the day started.